Howdy, folks. This is Daniel St.Pierre with Cybergenica and Glorious Media, and today I'm going to show you how to make money with Bitcoin with zero investment, no money down whatsoever. And this is all possible thanks to Coinbase, the world-leading cryptocurrency authority, where members can buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency. For each new member you send them, well, Coinbase will pay you $10 per referral. Now, here's an email I got from Coinbase telling me that I received about $40 in my Coinbase account from, well, of all sources, Coinbase. And if I double check in my Coinbase dashboard, well, I see the deposit at the top of the list of recent transactions. Now, if you do the math, at $10 a pop for new members I sent Coinbase, it looks like 4 new investors signed up to Coinbase using my referral link, perhaps yesterday, I guess. And today, well, I get $40. To be honest, I don't know exactly where the new referrals come from, because I got my referral link on a countless number of web pages, blog posts, YouTube, and Vimeo videos, and of course on social media, and this is the result. Now, are you going to get rich on this program? Well, you might, depending on the amount of time you spend promoting Coinbase. But if you're like me, well, you do a little bit of promotion and start getting these emails in your inbox, then go from there. All you have to do to make money with Coinbase is share your affiliate link as many times as possible, inviting friends, family, co-workers, and of course, using hashtags where you can even reach total strangers from across the globe who will promote your link for you. Now, there you have it. It's a simple way for you to make money with Bitcoin with zero investment up front. Now, click the link in the description of this video to sign up to Coinbase for free, and you'll get $10 in free Bitcoin just for signing up. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video, and in the event that you did, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more cryptocurrency videos in the near future. And as always, feel free to share and comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may God bless you and yours as you strive to bring Him glory with your life and prosper in your cryptocurrency endeavors.